Flirting can be a fun and playful way to get to know someone and potentially start a romantic relationship. However, for many people, flirting can be intimidating, especially for beginners. This is why we have put together a comprehensive guide to help you understand the basics of flirting and give you 8 ways to flirt for beginners. Flirting is an art form that requires a delicate balance of confidence, humor, and subtlety. It can be used to show someone that you're interested in them and to gauge their level of interest in return. Whether you're single and looking to start a relationship, or you're in a relationship and looking to keep the spark alive, flirting is a valuable tool. The key to successful flirting is understanding the other person's body language and verbal cues and responding in a genuine and authentic way to who you are. Flirting tip number 1. Smile and make eye contact. Smiling and making eye contact are 2 simple yet powerful gestures that can convey your interest in someone. A warm and friendly smile can make someone feel more at ease and approachable, and it can serve as an invitation for them to engage in a conversation with you. Making eye contact while smiling can also indicate that you are listening attentively and genuinely interested in what they say. This combination of smile and eye contact can be particularly effective in breaking the ice and starting a conversation, especially if you are trying to flirt with someone for the first time. Flirting tip number 2. Ask questions and demonstrate genuine interest. In this step, you are conveying that you value what the person has to say and that you are interested in getting to know them better. This not only creates a more meaningful conversation but also helps build a connection between the two of you. Additionally, by actively listening and responding to the person, you are showing that you are genuinely invested in getting to know them. Flirting tip number 3. Use your sense of humor. Incorporating humor into your flirting can make the interaction more enjoyable and relaxed for both parties. However, it is crucial to be mindful of the other person's humor preferences and boundaries. Making a joke that is considered inappropriate or offensive can quickly put a damper on the interaction and may even harm your chances of building a connection with the other person. It's best to use humor that is lighthearted and inoffensive and to gauge the other person's reactions to determine what type of humor they respond to best. Flirting tip number 4. Give compliments. Complimenting the person you are interested in can be a great way to flirt and show your admiration. However, it is important to make sure that the compliments you give are sincere and tailored to the individual. A generic compliment may not have the desired effect and could come across as insincere. It is essential to pay attention to the person's unique qualities and find something to compliment that is specific to them. This will show that you are paying attention and are genuinely interested in getting to know them better. Flirting tip number 5. The subtle art of touching gently. Physical touch can be a powerful way to express interest and flirt with someone. A light touch, such as a gentle touch on the arm or a playful nudge, can help to build a connection and establish a sense of intimacy between you and the other person. However, it's important to be mindful of personal boundaries and to only engage in physical touch if both parties are comfortable with it. Physical touch can be a great way to enhance a flirtatious interaction, but it should always be done with respect and consent. Flirting tip number 6. Show that you are confident. Confidence is a crucial aspect of flirting as it can greatly impact the interaction. When you display confidence in yourself, it projects a positive and attractive image to the other person and helps to put them at ease. As a result, they feel more comfortable around you, and the interaction is more likely to be successful. Confidence can be demonstrated in various ways, such as by maintaining a good posture, speaking clearly, and having a positive attitude. Flirting tip number 7. The old tagline, be yourself. Being yourself means embracing your unique personality, quirks, and interests. This way, you can present yourself in a natural and relaxed manner, allowing the other person to get to know the real you. Being yourself can help to establish a connection that is based on mutual interests and genuine compatibility, rather than trying to impress someone with an altered or fabricated persona. Additionally, being yourself can help to build confidence and reduce stress, as you don't have to worry about pretending to be someone you're not. Flirting tip number 8. Know when to continue and when to back off. Knowing when to back off is an essential aspect of flirting. Understanding the other person's cues and signals, such as body language or lack of interest, can help determine when it's time to back off. If the other person is not reciprocating or responding positively to your flirting, it's important to respect their feelings and not persist. Continuing to flirt despite the other person's lack of interest can be perceived as disrespectful and can lead to discomfort or awkwardness. Overall, flirting can be a fun and exciting way to get to know someone and potentially start a romantic relationship. By following these 8 ways to flirt for beginners, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and successful flirt. Just remember to be yourself, show confidence, and respect the other person's boundaries, and you'll be well on your way to a successful interaction. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.